Here I have Google Home, and today I'm going to show you how to change devices preset room. So you can change your room mode here. Firstly, you have to access your device at this Google Home app, then go to its settings, and here you can select room. For example, you can select cellar, den, entryway, family room, front garden. No idea what is the difference between all of these rooms, but I guess Google knows better. You can also add a custom room. And that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.